Oh my goodness, what an absolutely glorious evening we have going on here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas here at Hollywood Studios. Oh my God, Christmas has arrived at Walt Disney World. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I love the decorations here at Hollywood Studios. I've said it in years past, and let me know if you guys remember me saying this in other videos from before. You don't need to spend any extra money on the Christmas party at Magic Kingdom. Not that they're having it this year, but you know, they have plenty of Christmas decorations here at Hollywood Studios, and I don't know if they're doing it this year, but they have projections on the Tower of Terror, and they have snow and lasers. There's a lot of cool stuff to do for the holidays here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We are at Disney's Hollywood Studios for day one of my birthday weekend celebration. Yes, it is my birthday. We are wearing a happy birthday magnet, or not magnet, button. My birthday is technically tomorrow, but today is the first day of my birthday weekend celebration. We're gonna be in Orlando the entire weekend, guys. I'm super excited to be here at Hollywood Studios. And today, as you guys probably saw already, is the very first day that the Christmas decorations are up inside the park. We're only gonna be here for just a little bit. We came in, we checked in at our hotel a little while ago, came right over here. Only gonna be here for a little bit, see if we can do a couple rides, take a look at all the Christmas stuff. I'm super excited to be here. I hope you are too. Let's head on inside and get some Christmas going.
Look at all the little videos. They hang out.
Happy Hollywood holiday, my friends! Merry Christmas to me! Hello, I know all of you! All on the next list!
As you can see, we're about a little less than an hour and a half until park close, and it's pretty busy out here. Look at this. We even have Christmas porgs. We have Christmas Groot. They turned Dumbo into a stocking. We even got Christmas trash. Since when does Disney carry ornaments from Nevada? The heck? Also, guys, take a look at this Christmas tree on Echo Lake. Oh my God, it looks absolutely phenomenal. And then they got the ornaments all along the lake, and you got Santa Gertie right over there. Oh, I love it. This is my favorite time of year. As a person, as a YouTuber, it's a very dangerous time of year because any lick of Christmas music whatsoever, instant copyright strike. So editing these videos are gonna be fun from now until the end of the year. And yeah, Instagram sessions galore for the Nugget clan. The one over there, that one's Lieutenant Dan. You guys haven't met Lieutenant Dan yet, but that's Koda's mom's baby Nugget. So his name is Lieutenant Dan because he ain't got no legs. And Spicy and Nugget. It feels so good to be back in a theme park as it's getting dark. I mean, it's like 6 o'clock right now, but you know, the park closed at 7, but it's already getting pretty dark. And we're heading inside Galaxy's Edge, so it'll be nice to go back in there when it's dark. Wow, that's actually kind of crazy. I've never seen the exterior queue being used for Rise of the Resistance before. That's crazy. I wonder what the estimated wait time is. Like, everyone here had to get a boarding group, but now they're getting in line, and I just want to know what the estimated wait time is. I've never seen the exterior queue being used. Okay, so I asked a cast member out in front of Rise of the Resistance, and they said that they're estimating at about an hour wait. So not only do you have to get a boarding group, and if you're one of the later ones, you got to wait the entire day to get on, but once you're in line, you're waiting about an hour. And he says that that's if the ride is running smoothly and at full capacity like it should. So, oh boy. When I tell you guys Batuu is absolutely gorgeous at night, it's gorgeous. Just look at the colors and the blues. It's honestly something else. It's so nice to be back at night. Look how gorgeous this is. Well, Christmas came a little early for Koda. She was gifted a Christmas porg. She's very happy.
It doesn't take much.
Doesn't take much. Poor Koda was about to have a heart attack. Ronto Roasters is closed. They have a limited, like a new limited hours. So if you want a Ronto Wrap, you can still get some at Docking Bay 7. And I think that's where Koda's heading right now. And quite frankly, honestly, maybe me too, because I need me a Ronto Wrap. Smuggler's Run is currently a 35-minute wait, which isn't terrible. But I just want to take a moment to appreciate the Millennium Falcon and, you know, Batuu at night, because damn, it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous out here. Just take a moment to soak that in. And looking out over the crowds, it's hardly any. More of the crowds are down that way. But out here, it's not bad at all. It's looking really nice. Oh yeah. One for each of us and then one for sharing. Oh man, all the locals are closing up shop. It's closing time. Okay, so remember how I said it was my birthday weekend celebration? Koda's surprising me. I'm getting to build my own lightsaber today. I was definitely not expecting that, so Koda surprised me with this for my birthday. I've never made my own lightsaber before. I've been wanting to make one for a very long time. It's pretty expensive, and Koda is buying one for me. Holy cow, I'm super excited for this. Okay.
Welcome back. You're gonna head all the way straight down to Lindsay down there.
Alrighty, Lindsay. Oh, come around this way. Oh, wow.
Alright, my first builder is going to be right here on number 2.
Okay.
Make your pencil card all the way forward. My next builder, I'm not a builder, I'm sorry.
Wait, just gonna make sure to put that right there. Wow.
Thank you for finding your way to us this evening. I know what you see here may seem a lot. But to us, it's everything. Now, I see you've met my fellow gatherers. Good, very good. I am called Kemba. To some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but please allow me to clarify and tell you that some of this is indeed new junk. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these times, preserving our past may just ensure a future. Yes? Yes. Now, my friends, I'm sure by this point you've all heard the stories of Luke Skywalker. That, my friend, is why you are here tonight, to look ahead to the future and to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. Now, the saber is a reflection of the builder, with the force flowing between them. Tonight you will feel that connection. Well done. Well done indeed. You will now join that crystal to the aspects of saber design that you chose moments ago on the other side of the workshop door. One very important thing, make sure the crystal is resting on the tiny green tray at the top left of your building space. Good, very good. Now you will begin to build your hilt. This is the foundation of your lightsaber. Your center of control. The thing that makes your hand not disintegrate. In these boxes are the aspects of the design we've already selected. You'll find the chassis, activation plates, grip, emitter, and pommel cap. Now remember, building a lightsaber is a very personal journey. Just as you've chosen your crystal, you will now choose each individual aspect of design and make your lightsaber unique. Should you encounter difficulty or have questions, the gatherers are standing before you ready to assist, and all you need to do of them is ask. Now, let's build.
On the inside of your chassis, you're going to see a pressure plate on the very top near those lines there. You're going to press that in, and while doing so, slide that fiber crystal into the chamber there. It should look just like this when it's all said and done. This kind of crystals tend to be all down. Make sure that we have a strong crystal We're gonna switch that up and hear that spark. Yeah, that's the sound we're looking for. Push down and twist with a little pressure to tighten out. Alright guys, so now you're gonna slide 2 on the 4 grips there. Make sure that the bigger inside goes towards the center. And you push down and twist with a little pressure to tighten it up. Yeah, did it tighten up? Actually, that was pretty tight.
Did you flip your switch? Is it not good? Okay. I'm sorry. People watching.
So you're right there at the top. Once you get that on, flip it on. So you're going to be calling that. Do the same thing, but to the bottom.
Well done. The first to finish. How does it feel? Excellent job. What crystal do you have in the middle? Five.
Awesome.
Very nice. Beautiful. Wow. Elegant. What's the crystal inside? Very nice. Excellent job. You two are traveling together. The crystal we have inside. Green. Stunning work. Hands on working for you. Doing wonderful things. Excellent. Excellent. We completed our hills. Nothing upsetting or traumatic has happened. Everything quite good. Now, we come to perhaps the most potentially dangerous part of the build. My friends, trust us. Leave these magnificent hills on the stations in front of you. Take a collective deep breath and step back. Gatherers to business. The gatherers are now stabilizing your chosen crystals for their very first activation. This is the one thing you don't do coming out of the gate because it does require some training, calm, and quite frankly, nerves of steel. No one here is in any danger of this, I promise, except maybe for you and the horns because you're leaning against a crate full of thermonuclear detonator. Wise choice to step forward. Now, we move forward to the final.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. We've reached the final stage. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, you will come forward, place your hands on the hilt of your completed lightsaber, and when I give you the signal, you will, for the first time, activate your blades. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Come forward, and on my mark, activate. Raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith who have come before you, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. And now, my friends, if you would be kind enough to momentarily deactivate and lower your blade.
Ah, complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. My friends, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power shouldn't be dropped on the ground. In order to preserve what you have just built, we are pleased to grant you a saber sheath as you depart. In a moment I shall dismiss you group by group. Builders, raise your sabers. An honor and privilege to build with each and every one of you. My friend, through that door and back into the world. Well done.
When I say now, you light them up.
She didn't say now!
Sorry, premature.
Okay, 1, 2, go. Okay, now ready? Everybody smile pretty, because I can't see your faces anyway.
What's up?
I swear to God, I'm gonna hurt someone with this. I've been waving this thing around already. Oh Lord, this is a very dangerous weapon, but God, am I happy, and it feels so good. I love it. All right, as much fun as we had here doing a little mini photo shoot, it is time for us to go. We are well over an hour after the park has closed. We had our lightsaber reservation for like at park close at 7 o'clock. So more than likely, we're gonna be walking through a mostly empty Hollywood Studios on the way out. Yeah, we are pretty much completely alone in the park. We just have a few stragglers with us walking out, mostly Koda's family that are in front of us, but this is crazy. You got the awesome Christmas tree down there. But when do you get this opportunity to be in Hollywood Studios by yourself after it's closed? It's insane. I mean, there are no cast members around us either, so there's no one really kicking us out. So we can kind of stay here and take pictures. Hey babe, how much do you love me? Well, that's gonna be it from us. Look at that view. That is that's a spectacular view. Wow. That's postcard quality. No one in the shot. And then of course we continue our way down Hollywood Boulevard. Hardly anyone in front of us, just a few straggling families that were out shopping. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see the Hollywood Tower Hotel projections because of the lightsaber building, but we'll get to that next time.